me again, and today we're here for an unboxing. So, I started opening up the box, then I stopped because this came yesterday, and I decided that I was going to record an unboxing YouTube video. So, what I got was a 27-inch Imac to replace my 2011 Imac. This one here is a 2019. So of course, all paperwork and stuff. And this is my live reaction. Okay. So we have cords. We have a keyboard. Looks like a basic generic. Oh, this is definitely a basic generic keyboard. I'm not even going to open up this one. I'm just going to use my keyboard from my other iMac and my mouse pad. I don't even like this. Yeah. So I won't be opening up this one. Yeah, something basic and generic. Let me tell you what I did. So, I bought this on Amazon Renewed. So, it's like new. It's been cleaned and refreshed and all of that other good stuff. So, I want to give you my opinion on it. Okay. Then inside this great big old box, this is heavy. Oh. Oh. Lord Jesus. Okay. Excuse me. I'm not about to pick that up again, so I'll just bend you down. Guys, see that? Because I ain't about to lift that box up. Way too heavy. Ta-da! Okay. All right. Now get me back on camera. Wow. I thought it was coming in a generic box. But it appears that I actually got the brand new iMac. Yay! So let's get this unboxed here. And then I have to go in the office and get down the other one, at least take it off the dresser because I have to mirror it or something like that it's called. But let's keep going. Wow. Okay, so came upside down. Okay, let me put you guys back down so you can see what I'm doing. Well, I continue to talk in the background. Okay. So, ooh-wee. Trying to get off this paper here. This is saying on the back of there. Hey guys, can you see me? Okay. So this says it is hard drive, 1 terabyte. Hard drive number 1 is 1 terabyte. Hard drive number 2 is 32 gigabytes SSD. It's in absolute pristine condition. Absolute pristine conditions. No scuffs, no marks on it. All of that. From my understanding of it, it's that when it comes in a generic box is when it's used, and when it comes in the Imac box, then it's brand new, has never been used. So the price of this was $719. $719. You know how much money you save? Okay, YouTube. It's a couple of days later, and I'm still trying to get the new Imac set up. What I didn't know when I was trying to do the migration assistant, I hadn't updated the new Imac yet. And so that's why I was having the problems in doing the migration. So now I'm in the process of doing the updates on a new computer. The old one is still down here. Old iMac is still down there on the floor. And so what I had done was I had bought my MacBook Pro in here thinking that there was a problem so that I could migrate from the MacBook Pro to the new iMac. But after I went to Apple Apple support, I found out that I needed to do the updates on the new iMac, and then I would be able to do the migration without any issues. So that's what I'm in the process of doing now. So I'll see you in a minute once everything is done. Be right back. Hey, the migration assistant is finally working. Yes. Yes, guys. It's working now. So it should be done. Peer-to-peer, transferring documents. Yes. You don't know how happy this makes me. I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 days now. So, yeah, I'm truly excited. And I think I am going to make this the end of the video because the new iMac will be up and running very shortly. Hey. It's finally working. It's finally working. Hey. Man, this has been an experience, okay? But there's 4,190 files to be transferred. So I'm not going to have you guys sit here and continue to watch this. Just know that the new iMac is up and running, or will be up and running. Thank you. See you later. Bye, YouTube.